This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Summer drownings in Australia. Every year, you Australians out there continually refuse to heed the warnings of the experts as you drown in estuaries, lakes, and specifically the ocean. We're not even a week into 2023, and this summer's had numerous casualties. Even a couple of parents trying to save their children drowned. So what were they doing letting their children swim in such dangerous areas in the first place? As sad as it all be anyway. And now the powers that be want to throw money at advertising campaigns and put more public servants probably into positions to educate you. And yet yous never bloody listen. When it comes to sunburn, I see them running around this coastal area like beetroots. When it comes to floodwaters, there's continual drownings, let alone the bloody road toll when yous are continually told to get off your phone or get off the piss. And now the drownings, we're going to throw more money at it. Just wake up, Australia, and stop thinking you know everything. No matter what you know, and no matter how much the powers that be throw at advertising, you're never going to stop idiots getting killed by good old Mother Nature. Wake up, Australia. This is Harry Vocal.